in today's video, there's a travel guide topic I found out that makes over $2,000 monthly on Amazon KDP. And like I said in my previous video, this is Q4 and people will be traveling. So having these topics in your archive or in your bookshelf will really go a long way to boosting your KDP report dashboard. So without wasting much time, let's dive into the topic. So I'm going to open up Amazon website right now, and then we are going to search out the topic, all right, and then see the number of competition, and then see if there are recent books on that topic this period. The name of the travel guide I'm about to share with you in this video is called Uta Travel Guide, all right, 2024. So let us search it out, and then let us see the number of competition, and then check if there are independently published books that have been published on the account recently. Okay, so as you can see, it has just 121 results. So let us remove 2024 and then see the number of results it has. As you can see, it has just 882 results on Amazon KDP. Okay, 882 results. This is amazing. Okay, this is something you want to jump on. So the next thing we want to check now are the independent published books. We want to know if they are doing very well, and then we want to know how recent the books were published. Okay, so we want to check this. This is not an independent publisher. All right. As you can see, this is independently published in June 28, 2024. It was published this year, and the BSR is 434. Okay, now you can see this guide to independently published in June 29, 2024, and has a BSR of 24,000. Okay, this is amazing. This is a title that you can work on. So it all depends on how you structure your book. Okay, let us open up this guy and then see if he did anything special to be ranking this much on this title. So I'm going to right click on it and then open a new tab, and then let us check out the book. Okay, let us see what is making this book sell so much. Okay, you can see the BSR independently published. Okay, so let us see inside. Let's look inside the book. Okay, all right. So guys, one of the best things about this travel guide for me is it contains the necessary things every travel guide should contain. So as you can see, there are not too much gibberish, not too much unnecessary details. All right, so let's see if there are images inside the book. Okay, I don't think there are images inside of it. I don't think there are images. Okay, they are just okay. There are no images inside the book. So this is an amazing way to do your travel guide. This is an amazing way to do your travel guide. So if I were you, I'll get started on this travel guide. Okay, you can do what this author just did to make sure your book ranks very well on Amazon KDP. Let's check out this title on Publisher Rocket and then see how well this book is doing with Publisher Rocket. Okay, so you can see in Publisher Rocket that this book makes $2,000 monthly. $2,255 on Amazon KDP monthly. This is amazing, and it has a good number of searches, and it has an amazingly low competition level. Okay, so meaning you can get started on this title and ensure your sales will start coming in, because this is a season where people are traveling. So do not waste any time on this title. If I were you, I will get started right away. So I don't know if you have found value from this video. If you have, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and most importantly, turn on the bell notification, so when I drop more videos like this, you are going to see it. Do not forget, throughout the month of October, I'll be dropping travel guide topics that you can write on and make a lot of money with on Amazon KDP. So if you're a travel guide writer, you are good with writing travel guides, then you want to stay on my channel. So see you in my next video.